OMG, do you see this? This looks bomb AF. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to YOLO with AB. I am Antara, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the chain or the handle of a bag like this in 5 different ways. Okay, so firstly, thank you so much for more than 1k views in my first video within just 14 hours. You guys are amazing. Okay, so we'll start with the most basic look, and as we proceed in the video, you will see the most proest look. Okay, is that even a word? Anyways. Cross it like this, and then take this at the back and secure it with the bobby pin, or else you can just tie the ends. You see there are 2 ends over here, so you can just tie it as per your convenience. And our look 1 is ready. Just adjust it like your hair and stuff, adjust it the way you want, and see, our DIY hairband is ready. Yeah, see. The second one is somewhat the continuation of the first one. Except in the first one, what you did is tied it at the back, but now just put it behind your ears and then secure with a bobby pin or any kind of pin which you find suitable. So in this way it will give you kind of an earring effect. So bless your ears by not wearing earring for a single day or any day you're doing the style. See, this is what it looks like. For look 3, place it in your hand like this, wrist, and then तुम ऐसे थोड़ा सा रख सकते हो if you want तुम्हारा wristlet ऐसे कुछ दिखे, otherwise मत रखो. I'm keeping it, and then roll, baby roll. Okay, and then fix it here like this. Fix हो जा भाई. Okay, you can put on some jewelry and look all rock, you know. और एक्चुअली आई गेस यहाँ पे गोल्ड ज्वेलरी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, बट गोल्ड मेरे को मिल नहीं रहा है. सिल्वर मैंने सब पहन लिया, एंड ऑल द मतलब सिल्वर का कलेक्शन आई हैव ज़्यादा, सो या सिल्वर के साथ भी ठीक ही लग रहा है, इतना ख़राब नहीं लग रहा है, राइट? यू गाइस लेट मी नो. फॉर द फोर्थ लुक, place it in your thumb and then secure it over here like this. Okay, and then roll it over all your fingers one by one. Roll it once or twice the way you want to, and then from here bring it in the front and roll once and twice. Okay, and you may secure it over here, or what you can do is do it like this, or in this finger, roll it here, and then ultimately secure it. अरे घुस जा भाई. This looks out of the world. I got short of words, I'm sorry. And now comes the 5th look and my favorite look. This is an Instagram famous DIY top, and it's all over the internet right now. If you want to see how I did this, check out my Instagram. And today I'll post a tutorial of this top right at 6 PM sharp. Okay, so do check it out. And also जब check करोगे then follow me on Instagram. Okay, to get. Okay, so this top is trendy enough and it's total sass, but we'll level up our game. Take this chain again, insert it through this, okay, and measure it ऐसे कि तुम्हारे पीछे ये लगेगा ही नहीं, ऐसे. Okay, and now twist it like this. Okay, and then पीछे you will. हाँ. OMG, do you see this? This looks bomb AF. Wow, this is some another level, dude. Like, you're understanding it, right? Plain सा top था, obviously बहुत trendy था, but see this, oh my god. Now let's try this with another top. This is a plain black basic top. You will put it like this, measure and twist. Okay, now go and fix it. Okay, this is the look you get. Amazing. Like any basic piece in a wardrobe, you can just level it up with any accessory, right? This is one of them. Yeah, cool. So that's it for today, guys. Comment down below your favorite look and I'll soon post a part 2 of this video, so stay tuned. With your friends and please like this video and try out these looks. I'll see you the next time. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind. Bye bye.